Good afternoon. We begin with a breaking news alert in North Carolina.
An Amtrak passenger train collides with a truck in Roanoke Rapids. The crash toppled the engine on its side, caused several injuries. Crash derailed the car directly behind the engine and partially derailed the third car. It's still unclear how many people may have been hurt, but we don't believe of any injuries that may be life-threatening. The Amtrak train was the Carolinian, which runs between Charlotte and North Carolina and New York each day. We will have further updates for you. We're also following a local breaking news